destroyed after a huge explosion last night. It was apparently caused by a broken gas line.
We're already dealing with inflation that's probably between 7 and 10% a year, and it's about to get a whole lot worse.
Electricity rates would necessarily skyrocket. That will cost money. They will pass that money on to consumers.
Actual cost of health insurance is rising 5.5 times faster than what the government uses for the CPI. These are not real numbers.
Check it out. I'd say call DA Solar. They make it simple to understand. They lay it out for you. You get every little piece, which is a whole simple project.
Well, Blake, I'm excited to save some money on this. It's like a new toy.